Hey guys, this is Sai and welcome to my channel, The Corporate Yogi. Today I'll be teaching you all 10 simple yoga asanas which can be done in 15 minutes either in the morning or in the evening. These exercises are so simple that anyone who wants to start with the yoga or who is a beginner at yoga can start practicing these exercises. So now let's start with the exercise number 1.
So today the first exercise is Dhyana or meditation. This is a method of calming the mind through a set of yogic techniques. Practicing it daily encourages focused attention and an increased state of awareness. All you have to do now is first sit in a relaxed state or in any comfortable position. Fold your legs. You can sit in Shashakasan or in the state of Padmasana. Once you sit in the state of Padmasana, you have to now slowly rest your hands on your knees and practice the Dhyana mudra. Now close your eyes and lift your face slightly upwards. You need not concentrate, just maintain a mild focus between the eyebrows. Focus on your breath and let it flow freely. Just observe the flow of your breath. If possible, let the thoughts dissolve. This way, you will be able to complete the first exercise. Try practicing this for at least 5 minutes in a day. And then we move towards the exercise number 2. Exercise number 2 is Bhujangasan. Bhujang means cobra. In this asana, the body is raised like the hood of a snake. Hence the name is given as Bhujangasan. But there's one important thing to remember. Those who are suffering from hernia and stomach ulcers should not practice this asana. The first pose that we did here was Vakrasan. Now place your palms beside your chest and start lifting yourself slowly upwards. Lift the head and chest as much as you can. Keep the elbows parallel and practice this for 3 to 10 breaths. Slowly exhale and bring your head down and rest your chin on the ground. Bring both your arms in front of your chin and relax yourself. Now slowly get up and sit in a relaxed position. You can practice this asana for at least 2 minutes at the count of 3 to 10 breaths. Asana number 3 is Bhadrasan. Bhadra means the firm or the auspicious posture. Remember, people who are suffering from severe arthritis or sciatica should not practice this pose. First you have to relax your legs. Now start bringing your legs close to each other by the soles of your feet touching each other. Bring it as close as to your body. You will come to this position if your hip bone is tight. Slowly start taking your legs downwards. That is, try to touch your thighs onto the ground, and with the clasp of your hands, hold the feet. Sit in this position for at least 2 minutes. Keep your posture straight at all times. If you start feeling some pain, you can slowly lift your both the thighs up and practice the butterfly position. Practicing this butterfly position will help you increase your flexibility in your hip bone. And then once you are comfortable, you can again touch your thighs on the ground and sit in that position for the next 1 to 2 minutes. Practice this pose daily every morning for 2 minutes. The fourth practice for the day is Pranayama. This is also called as the Anulom Vilom. This pranayama involves alternate breathing to the left and right nostrils. You have to put your hands into the pranayam mudra and try to then close your one nostril with the help of your index finger and breathe through the second nostril. You have to breathe first through the right nostril and then close the right nostril with the help of your thumb and then slowly exhale from the left nostril. Now breathe again through the left nostril. Close the left nostril with your fingers and exhale from the right nostril. Keep doing this alternatively for at least 2 minutes. This will help you relax your mind as well as your body. This is also considered as one of the best breathing practices in yoga. Next pose for the day is Pavanmuktasan. As the name suggests, this asana is useful in removing wind or flatulence from the stomach and intestine. Bring your legs as close to the body as you can and hold it tight. Rest your chin on your knees and be in this position for at least 2 minutes. Suppose you are not able to practice this position, you can practice this by resting your back on the ground and bringing your legs close to your body. Now bring your head up and rest your chin on the knees. You can practice this position as well for 2 minutes if you are very much uncomfortable in the sitting position. Relax your body and then come back to the normal position. The sixth position for the day is Shashakasana. Shashaka means hare or the rabbit. The body in this pose resembles the rabbit, hence the name given. Remember, avoid this posture in case of osteoarthritis of the knees. All you have to do is keep both your legs below your buttocks and then spread your knees wide and slowly move your body forwards. Stretch your arms outright. If possible, try to touch your chin onto the ground. Practice this for 2 minutes and then come back to the normal position. Relax your body completely. Practicing this every day for 2 minutes will help you stretch the muscles in your thighs as well as your calves as well as the back muscles. The seventh pose for the day is Vajrasan. Vajra means thunderbolt. This asana is also considered as one of the best meditative poses. This is the only asana which can be practiced after meals. No other yoga poses are practiced after meals. But remember, those who are suffering from knee pain and ankle injury should avoid practicing this asana. Sit in this asana for 2 minutes and then relax your body again and come back to the normal position of Padmasana or Sukhasana. The eighth pose is Vrikshasana. Vriksha means tree. The final position of this asana resembles the shape of a tree, hence the name given. Remember, avoid this practice in case of arthritis, vertigo and obesity. Here you have to lift up your right leg and place it on the left thigh Bring it as close as to the perineum. Join both your hands in the Namaskar Mudra and point it upwards. Stand in this position for at least a minute, and then you can do it alternatively for the second leg. The ninth exercise for the day is Kapalbhati. Kapala means skull and Bhati means to shine or illumination. The practice of Kapalabhati makes one experience the divine tranquility of mind and body. Remember, avoid this practice in case of cardiac conditions, epilepsy, hernia, gastric ulcers, and during menstrual cycle. While we see how it is being done, all you have to do here is inhale and exhale. First you have to inhale completely till you experience fullness in your stomach, and then start exhaling. While you do this inhale and exhale activity, you will feel a contraction in your abdominal muscles. Do this for at least 20 breaths and you will feel the complete contraction happening in your abdominal muscles. The last exercise for the day is Vakrasan. Vakra means twisted. In this asana, the spine is twisted, which has a rejuvenating effect on its functioning. Remember, avoid this posture in case of acute back pain and spinal disorders. All you have to do in this position is lift your right leg up and bring it next to your left leg. Place your arms close to the right leg and twist your body as shown over here. Try to maintain in this state for a minute, and then you can now start with the left leg. Place your arm close to the left leg, twist your body and be in this state for the next 1 minute. This helps you in the expansion of your back muscles. Now relax your legs completely and come back to the normal position, that is the Sukhasana.
Do practice this asanas daily. I hope you like this video. Please do not forget to hit the bell icon. Thank you.